I'm gonna give you guys a kind of vert version of a kickflip. This is the P100D, this is the one with the big battery, and it has economy, sports, and ludicrous mode, but then they have a little secret menu where it has push all limits mode. I guess they call it hyperspace. I just turned it on. It's on. Jesus. 180.
Oh my god.
Holy fuck, dude. That pushed my balls right into my body, dude.
Hey, what's up? I'm Tony Hawk, and today I'm filling in. I'm your substitute Do A Kickflip guy from Eric Koston. Hey, do a kickflip! Yo, do a kickflip! You want to try one on my board?
No, that's good.
Do a kickflip!
Holy shit. Tony, another idea I had.
So we're gonna drive around and harass people to do kickflips, and if they do it, or if they get close, or if they try really hard, we're gonna give them some swag. We're gonna go places where skateboarders congregate. Where are those places? They gotta be out in the wild. So we're gonna go find them. Hey, do a kickflip! What? Do a kickflip!
I got my Jordans on though.
That's alright. Aren't Jordans for skating? Oh, yes! I'm Eric Koston.
All right. What's up, guys?
Okay. He asked if we were on a blog or something. Is this a blog? Yo, do a kickflip!
Kickflip?
Yeah! Look at. Oh, it's a race. Who's got it?
Alright, dog. Alright.
Oh, you're almost there. Do it.
Got this, dog.
Yeah!
I thought you were Danny Way in the Tesla.
No, I'm Eric Koston.
Dude, well, thank you.
I saw a Facebook post about you today. Some guy who does neuromuscular release therapy.
Oh, yeah?
He's having dreams about doing bodywork.
Wow.
Yeah, I was like, that's weird, but it's funny I saw you today.
So today I'm Danny Way and Eric Koston. Hey, yo, do a bar spin! Yes! Sick! Here you guys. Hey, you guys want hats? Yeah. Did a bar spin. I feel like his whole life was leading up to that moment. Like someone to call him out to do a bar spin, because he was locked and loaded right when I said it. And that's the first bar spin we've had. Hey, do a kickflip! You guys want to do a kickflip?
Do a quadruple flip.
Do a kickflip? Okay, do a double flip. We know who you are.
No, I am not me. Really? Double flip?
No, whatever you want. Do any flip.
Alright, I'll do a kickflip.
Okay.
Alright, I'll do a kickflip.
Okay. Boom. What is it? I feel like everyone needs headphones. Here's some headphones.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Thanks for playing.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
You too. Right on.
Cool.
Have fun. Boy's good. We're here to wreck your day.
Come on, let's bring some energy here, dude. Let's get the film going. Uh-oh, big can showing up here. Here we go. This is it. Welcome to Oceanside.
He's not doing a kickflip.
We like to surf and skate, and we drink good coffee. Nothing but the best imported from overseas to here.
Do a kickflip.
I don't think it ever worked.
Do an Americano though. Okay. Do I have to give him a skateboard for an Americano? Can you do a kickflip?
Yes.
You can? Would you have a skateboard?
7 pounds.
Oh, you don't have it here? Okay. None of the guys that can kickflip have their skateboards.
We're going full civilian right now. Time to shine.
Do one on my daughter's board, but you gotta promise not to break it.
I'll try not to. I'm kind of unpredictable. If I toe hanging out my shoe.
Watch out, it's cars.
Get hit by a car, it's worth it.
Oh!
I have to give him a smell like a tense hair.
It was worth it, dude. All right. It's a bit of an excessive start that we went to see Riley and Figgy and asked them to do kickflips. I feel like we should really get down some more skaters that aren't paid to ride skateboards. That's probably more effective. They might be happier to receive free gear. Do a kickflip! Do a kickflip! Dude, everyone's just on it. Thanks, man.
Oh, what's up?
What's up?
Tony Hawk?
Yeah.
Yo, what's up?
What's up? Cool, man. Thanks. That's it. It's free for all. Just come in. Wild shopping spree. Do a kickflip.
Kickflip? Holy shit.
Oh, you got it.
Alright, we got a switch flip.
Really? Oh.
This is super gnarly.
Here you go, buddy.
Oh, what? Thanks, dog.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Awesome. High
Oh,
five.
Thanks, dude.
Good job. Switch flip. He was standing outside a skate shop and he got a free skateboard. We're putting McGill's out of business doing this. We're nearing Poods Park here, so this will be an epicenter of skaters on the outskirts. And we're hoping that someone's not in the park can do a kickflip. I see 2 kids skating the curb right here. I see a bunch of kids getting out of the car. Do a kickflip! Look at right on cue. Yes! See that? That was sick. Here, buddy.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, right on. Give me 5. Good job. On command. What's up? Do a kickflip. Yes, look at everyone needs to go. Oh, boom. 1, 2. They're sick. That was amazing. What do we got for these guys? Here, you guys. Get some headphones. Cool. Wait, who else did one? You guys got a kickflip?
Yeah.
I want to do a kickflip.
He just said, yeah, we didn't do it. We're gonna chase this guy. Yeah, bro, here you go.
Thank you.
Dude, kickflip party. Did you see that 3 in a row? Just boom,
Yeah,
boom,
yeah.
boom. Can you imagine that when we were kids? If any one of us could do a kickflip, they were just rising above and leaving for stardom. So I have to honor the transition skaters in the world because that's where I come from. So we're gonna go to the Poods Bowl up here and see if anyone can do a crail slide or something similar. We're trying to get someone to do a crail slide. That's my goal here.
Oh shit. The only one I know here besides me that can do a straight cross slide is you.
Oh, yes. Yes. Wow. Called out. I didn't come here for me to do a crail slide. I came to challenge someone else to do a crail slide. That's just dumb.
Yeah, do you know about the San Juan Capistrano skate park? How they're trying to make that?
don't,
They have a meeting Wednesday. I think it's at 6 p.m.
Try doing it without holding his hands.
Yeah.
That's what I do with my daughter.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I just keep holding her hands lighter and lighter and then finally just let her go. That's it, that's it. Oh, you had it! Don't go at too much of a straight up angle at the wall. Just stay like sort of in that zone that yeah. As soon as the board starts going up, make it go more of a carve. That's it, that's it, that's it. Yeah!
You made it.
Here, these are for you guys. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
That was it. Do a carve. Can any of you guys crail slide?
Fuck no.
No? That was what I was hoping for. Can you kickflip?
I can.
Let's see some kickflips.
Oh. Okay, Jay, okay.
Please. Oh! Oh, yeah, that's a good one. My 19-year-old son, he doesn't do many tricks, but that's one of the few he can do, yeah. This feels ridiculous to give him this, though. That's so dumb. This was not meant to go like this, okay? That's all I got. Oh, here's a set of wheels.
Dude,
And
thank you
here's,
so much.
here's one of my Funko Pops.
Yeah, so
I don't have anything else, but
That's
here you
so
go.
sad, bro. Thank you.
I've never honestly given away an action figure myself to anyone.
Really?
Well, I'd say that was a pretty successful day. We had a few pro cameos doing kickflips as a surprise, and plenty of kids doing it. Like, I cannot believe how far skateboarding has come that you could just say, do a kickflip, and 3 kids do it within 5 seconds. That's amazing to me. And then we saw a girl carve the bowl for the first time, which was closer to my heart. But thanks for joining us on this trip, and now go do a kickflip.